We could do an ASMR video. Bras. I'd be like,
please. Yeah.
Hello, and welcome back to Bra Talk with Honeylove. I'm Sophie, your host.
And I'm Talon, Honeylove social media manager.
Each week we dive deep into a new bra topic, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video.
And be sure to give us a like while you're there.
Today we're talking about East-West breasts. So, do you know your breast shape?
Honestly, I hadn't really thought about it much until I started working at Honeylove.
Well, it can be super helpful info when you're figuring out what bra styles to wear. I personally am a bell shape. Shout out to the bells. If you know your breast shape, drop it in the comments below.
And if you're someone with an east-west breast shape, this video is for you.
Let's head to the design room to learn more. I'm here in the design room with Vlada, one of our bra designers.
Hi.
So Vlada, what are east-west breasts and how can you tell if you have them?
Okay, so usually east-west breasts are kind of classified more by your nipples. So if your nipples are outward facing, meaning instead of pointing front, they kind of point east and west, exactly as it sounds. And usually you tend to have a little bit more of a gap in between that breast tissue as well.
So if you want to get your nipples pointing forward, what are some great bra options?
Okay, so we have a few that are amazing for an east-west kind of situation. And the first one is something with a side support panel. So it's going to look like this. It can either be a sling that's kind of built onto the fabric, or sometimes it's structured inside of the cup. So you're really kind of wrangling everything in, and it's going to face a little more forward than it usually does.
Great. Let's meet up with our model and try it on. I'm here in the brand room with Tiara, who has east-west breasts, and she's going to model some of these amazing bra solutions for us.
Hi, I'm so excited to try on some bras today.
We are back with Tiara, who is now wearing a t-shirt bra with the side sling built into the side. So what that's going to do is push your breasts towards the center. How does this feel?
Oh my gosh, it feels really great. It's really supportive, and I love that it's lifting and centering my breast really well.
Another great option for east-west breasts is going to be something with a front closure. So it's going to look something like this, where you have a little clasp right at the front in between your breasts, and you're going to use the tension of coming in from the sides and kind of clasping it at the front to really get the east-west facing a little bit more forward.
Let's try it on. So we are back with Tiara, who is wearing a front closure bra. Sometimes bras that hook at the back can make east-west more pronounced, so a front closure bra is a great alternative. Tiara, how do you feel?
I honestly think this is my favorite solution yet. Not only is it easier to hook the bra in the front rather than the back, but it really just pulls everything forward and together without needing a bunch of extra padding. So I really, really like this solution a lot.
So last but not least, we have a push-up bra. So that is going to be a really great style for kind of getting everything centered and facing forward. And the trick is you want to look for something that not only lifts you up from the bottom, but actually has a little bit of padding up on the side. And that's what's going to really kind of push your girls together and then get them facing more centered.
So Tiara is back, this time wearing a push-up bra. Now a push-up bra is great because it has angled padding at either side of the breast, so it's really going to push your chest more to the center. How do you feel?
I really like the look of this. My breasts normally go out and have a little space, so I never get to have this like cleavage look to it. So I really like that it brings all of it together and gives me that cleavage look that I really want. So I really like it.
Amazing. Yeah, it's definitely like a fun little confidence boost, nice change of pace.
One additional tip for those of you who don't feel like you need the full support of a bra is going to be to use some boob tape. So we are big fans of this because you can really kind of customize how you position your breasts. And the way this works is that it has an adhesive backing and you really just kind of tape it and you can scoop and lift and position your breasts how you want them to look in a top. You can even kind of cheat and sneak it under your bra so you really can pair it however you'd like to get the perfect positioning for your nipple and your breast.
One last option that can really help things get centered is boob tape like this. So you'll simply position your breast into the position that you want it and then use the tape to set it in place. Let's try it out. Thank you, Vlada, so much for walking us through these bra options. If you want more info, visit our blog by clicking the link in the description box below, and have a great day.
Thanks.
Thanks so much for watching Bra Talk with Honeylove.
If you need more information, go ahead and click the link below.
Got questions, comments, feedback? Leave it in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe.
And as always,
Just say no to bad bras.